Good morning, everybody. It's October 25th, 2021, and I thought I would show you this beautiful pink passion flower just to brighten your day a little bit. Now, please note, the bud is almost 2.5, almost 2 3/4 inches, but this is off of a 3-year-old plant that I keep inside the house. And it already had a vine that already bloomed out. I think I probably got 10 blooms on them. And Miss Annie eats the dried up blossoms, so that's like her special treat. So I hope you enjoy watching this gorgeous piece of nature, and like and subscribe. God bless. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day.